Vicky here. Welcome to week three's GoToVCR. Let's take just a few minutes and go over what's going on this week so that everyone has a better idea. We're talking about displaying patterns using Power BI. And what I mean by that, to correctly build your visualizations using data, you have to be trying to use the particular graphic or chart for the right comparison or change or ranking. So I put this visuals reference there. If you double click on it, it will open. There are specific charts and graphs for comparisons. If you're going to compare 2 or 3 or 4 things, change over time, like sales month over month or year over year, or grades, ranking, like if you're going to compare classes 1st through 10th, spatial, flow, parts to whole, how does something distribute, correlations, single value, to present a single value. This one is underutilized when people are first starting out using Power BI, so you may want to take a good look at that. Using filters to create a report, and just creating narratives to tell a story. So part of the objective is learning to use the correct chart or graph for what you're trying to illustrate with your data. I sent the overview this week. Let's take a look at this week's deliverables. The discussion board initial post, the lab, the hands-on step-by-step lab created in Power BI for a dashboard, is due tonight, Wednesday night. It is another one of the step-by-step with data included for you. And it may take a little bit of time to work through, but it's definitely worth it. I can see the progression. And on Sunday, the response post to your classmates. Please make sure that your response is in the RISE method. And the assignment for week 3, you're going to create a superhero dashboard. You're going to complete the dashboard, share it in Power BI. Be sure to attach the data sets that you create and create a video presentation of your visualization explaining what each of the visualizations were, and upload it to YouTube. Then provide the URL link to the video. The text reading, the supplemental articles, those are all really good this week. Again, there's the discussion. You're going to be walking through a step-by-step tutorial, again, on how to build a dashboard. The data, there's a zip file here for the Northwind traders. And if you look, it says .pbix. It's already in a Power BI formatted form. So you should be able to open that and use that. And then the discussions, again, are there for you. How to use the Power BI portal. There's a video here for you. Again, how to publish to the web and share it. And make sure that you follow all of the steps. And then again, the written part is what you learned, what you were surprised about, and what you think you will use in your profession. Again, you can post that in the discussion forum directly and then upload your written response in APA format. Be sure to use APA format following all of the notes that have been provided so far. And then the response using the RISE method. Let's go to the assignment, creating a superhero dashboard in Power BI. Now we're getting back to what should be interesting and fun for you. You're going to pick a superhero or a villain, it makes no difference. And you're going to create some graphics, some visualizations with data that you find or make up. Put that on Excel spreadsheets and then upload those into Power BI. You're going to create the actual charts, and then you're going to use the charts and graphs, create a dashboard. You're going to be using Microsoft Power BI. Okay, so be sure that you use actual data, make it accurate, make it attractive, and make sure it works. Make sure it actually works. And you're going to deliver 5 fully operational gauges, widgets, visualizations, whatever you choose to use for the superhero you're designing for. The design of the dashboard should coordinate with the imagery through color and type. You can't just use boring Excel graphs. Your dashboard needs to match the theme, and it must include a minimum of 5 fully interactive and operational charts or graphs. They must be used with data. And if you look right here, I've included a previous student's assignment. Give it just a chance to open here, that we created back before we were using Power BI. This was in Tableau, and it's one of my favorites because I'm a Marvel Comics fan. This is for, as you can see, Iron Man. This is a dashboard for Iron Man. I find it very attractive. The color scheme is consistent. There's the logo. Down here you've got legends. You've got bars. You got a calendar. Look at all of the graphs here. A map about emergency calls, arriving flights. And if you see when I'm scrolling over, it's all interactive. And then when you look up here at the top, there are tabs for incoming flights where the chart was made for incoming flights, 911 calls, fires, what dates the fires were, net worth increase for Iron Man, crashes, and resources, and then the dashboard. So this one is very well put together. I just wanted you to see how it all flowed together. So be creative. Pick something that you truly like, and if you can't find data, create data that you think would apply to make 5 charts or graphics, and then make a very attractive dashboard. I hope you have fun with this. This seems to be a favorite for students, and at this point in the class, the end of week 3, it's time to have a little fun and put what you've been learning to work. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you. I'm very anxious to see what you create this week. Have a great time.